Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter from raw milk. First, you'll need to gather your raw milk and essential equipment. Next, we'll discuss how to properly chill the cream to the ideal temperature. Then, we'll move on to the exciting part, churning the cream until it transforms into butter. Finally, I'll guide you through washing and salting your fresh, homemade butter. To begin, let your raw milk sit undisturbed in a cool place for several hours, allowing the cream to naturally separate and rise to the top. Once a distinct layer forms, carefully skim off the thick cream. Now, chill this cream to a temperature between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature range is crucial for successful churning, ensuring your cream has at least 30% butterfat. Once your cream is properly chilled, it's time for the main event. Pour the cream into your churner, ensuring it's not overfilled. Begin churning with a consistent rhythm. You'll notice the cream thicken, then separate into solids and a liquid. Keep going until the butter clumps together and the buttermilk is clearly distinct. This takes patience, but the reward is worth it. After churning, carefully drain all the buttermilk. Next, rinse the butter repeatedly with very cold water, pressing and folding it to remove any remaining buttermilk. Continue this process until the water runs completely clear. This step is crucial for good flavor and shelf life. Finally, add salt to taste, typically about 1/4 teaspoon per stick, and mix it in well. Your fresh butter is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.